Ever looked at your credit score and thought, this could be better? You're not alone. Millions of people are on the same boat, trying to navigate the confusing world of credit. One popular option out there is the Chime Credit Builder. But here's the big question: how much does it actually cost? Let's dive in and find out. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why building credit is even important. A good credit score can unlock a world of financial opportunities. Think lower interest rates on loans, easier apartment approvals, and even better job prospects. It's like having a golden ticket to the land of financial freedom. So, what's the deal with the Chime Credit Builder? Well, it's a secured credit card, which means you need to put down a deposit to get started. But here's the kicker: unlike traditional secured cards, there's no minimum deposit requirement. That's right, you can start building credit with as little as $25. But hold on, that doesn't mean there are no costs involved. While there's no annual fee, you'll still need to consider the deposit you make. This money is essentially locked away until you close your account. So, it's important to weigh your options and decide if the potential benefits of building credit outweigh the cost of the deposit. Now, let's talk about the fees. Good news, there are no foreign transaction fees, no overdraft fees, and no monthly maintenance fees. That's a huge plus compared to many other credit cards out there. However, late payments can result in a fee, so make sure to stay on top of your due dates. Another thing to keep in mind is that while there's no credit check to open the account, your payment history will be reported to the credit bureaus. So, consistent on-time payments are key to building a positive credit history. So, to recap, the Chime Credit Builder can be a great option for those looking to build or rebuild their credit. There's no annual fee, no minimum deposit, and no foreign transaction fees. However, you'll need to consider the deposit you make and the importance of making on-time payments. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to get the Chime Credit Builder is a personal one. It depends on your financial goals, your credit situation, and your risk tolerance. But hopefully, this video has given you a better understanding of the costs involved and helped you make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building that credit.